Shut up and sit down.
And here is the CandyCrane, nearing completion. Still have some code to write, some automation, and clean up the wiring here, make another circuit board maybe, but it is essentially done. Let's go ahead and take a look at it. I'm going to turn it on with the switch way over here in the corner. It'll go through a calibration phase, and then we'll be able to use it. So first thing it does is it connects to the network, then it starts up a web server, then it calibrates the bucket. Now it's going to calibrate the dolly by bringing it into the limit switch. It isn't the fastest crane in the world, I admit, but it's not meant to be. I'm just going to pause here while it gets there. It'll get there. Oh, I forgot to take that masking tape off. Okay, so that's home. Now it's going to home the tower. And voila. Now what we can do is put it to work using this web page. So that ESP32 is in fact connected to my Wi-Fi network, and it's delivering a web page called the CandyCrane Command Center. So let's see if we can pick up some peanut M&Ms. I'm going to go ahead and move the dolly out. There goes the dolly. While it's going out, I'm going to go ahead and open the bucket. Alright, let the dolly move all the way out until it's, maybe move the tower a bit. Stop it. Might have been too far. Going to stop the dolly there. That looks good. Let's move the tower in a bit. Alright, that looks pretty good there. Maybe back out a bit. Alright, that looks good enough. Let's see if we can, there we go. Let's see if we can go down. Move the bucket, where's down? Where's down? There's down. So we're going to move the bucket down until it's on top of the candy. And then we'll stop the bucket once it gets there. Now we're going to open the bucket, or close the bucket. So bucket close. And then bucket up. So the servo's grinding because it's got one in the jaws and it's really trying to stop it. So let's go ahead and move the tower all the way out. We'll stop the bucket here before it hits the top. And we'll move the dolly in. So the servo's just grinding because it's got the one there. Don't worry about it, it does that. Whoop, that's a sound. Alright, so let's stop the dolly here once it gets over top of that. A little bit further. Okay, we'll stop the dolly there. Now we're going to go ahead and drop the bucket a bit. Where's bucket down? There's bucket down. So we're going to go down. We'll go down, down, down. That's good enough there. Let's stop the bucket. And now we're going to open the bucket and drop the load. Nice. Now we're going to, may as well raise the bucket. And close it. Okay, that's pretty much high enough right there. Now let's send the tower back in. It's going to go all the way back to its home position. We can move the dolly in as well. And that's the CandyCrane. And we got a perfect amount of little candy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Peanut M&Ms. Yay.